follow Kuya Lemon. Okay, here we go. Raise it like this. Come on, Kiel. Raise it. Sway it in the air. Say the magic word. Happy birthday. Huh? Oh, don't worry. That's courtesy of my mentor galing kay Sir Ted Bravo yan. Don't worry, I can fix it. Ayusin natin yan. Ready? 1, 2, 3, blow. Ipan mo. Tadaan. O, buo na ha. Huwag mo sisirain ha. Sabay tayong dalawa ha. Okay, raise it. Ha? You follow me. Shake, shake, shake. Ha? Nakakadalawa ka na. Ma'am, yung anak nyo nakakadalawa na. Don't worry, I'll teach you how to fix it. You have to hold it like here. Right here. Tapos iikot mo lang. Okay, when I say stop, stop ka dito. Stop. Raise it, then blow. Okay? O, ikaw na. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, stop! Raise it! Blow! Faster, faster, faster. Mas mabilis. Ready? 1, 2, 3, stop! Raise it! Blow! Huwag mo gawin tsako. Ako na nga. Okay, everybody, 1, 2, 3, blow! Tadaan. O, buo na ha. Huwag mo sisirain ha. Okay, now watch this. Okay, little girl, come here. Come, come here. Okay. Oh, you hold it. Okay, put it inside. Blow. Blow. Okay, you get the dub, get the dub. Okay, show it to them, show it to them. Okay, put it back. Put it back. Put it back. Shoot. Shoot. Blow. Ta-da! You sit down now, you sit down. Thank you.